China's advanced naval hospital ship, the Silk Road Ark, is now in Port Royal after treating almost 2,000 patients in Montego Bay. The ship will serve Kingston and surrounding communities over the next 3 days. Government officials, including Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton and Foreign Affairs Minister Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith, toured the vessel this week. Dr. Tufton says the ship will offer outpatient care, diagnostics, and elective surgeries before moving on to Falmouth. Danita Rodney reports.
Senator Johnson-Smith says the visit highlights strong health cooperation between Jamaica and China, from COVID-19 support to major hospital projects. China's Ambassador Wang Jingfeng says the vessel has 300 beds and around 100 medical professionals. In Montego Bay, the team treated nearly 2,000 patients and completed 277 surgeries. The mission comes as Jamaica's health system continues to recover from Hurricane Melissa, which damaged facilities in the west and increased patient load in the corporate area. Opposition spokesperson on health, Dr. Alfred Dawes, describes it as a great help.
So the fact that we can have this ship immediately significantly improve our capacity. I think it has about 6 operating theaters on board. You can do multiple surgeries with different specialties.
Health and Wellness Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton describes it as a highly sophisticated floating hospital.
Coming into Kingston now from Montego Bay, we expect a similar level of support. And it's helping the cause because it's clearing up backlogs and supporting Jamaicans who need that support. So we think it's very significant.
The extended mission will provide support to Kingston-based hospitals, which are currently managing increased patient loads resulting from self-referrals and transfers from the Western region.